What's up? What it do? And today is a new day. Vlog number 2. We're doing that, guys. We're doing it. Thanks for all the love for the first one. And I'm with my cousin.
Hi.
Ishwaq.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous.
So there's an event today in Saffron Kitchen, and we're ready to eat. Basically, like we're starving, and that's the entrance. Wow. Well, thank you so much. We are excited.
So small.
Oh my god, no, you're fine.
Don't worry, you look nice though. This is my partner.
Hello.
Hiya.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I would ordinarily like hug you or like give you.
I know, we all feel like that. We just do one of those.
We can do a little elbow.
Yes.
There we go.
Yes.
What's your name again? Ashwaq. Yeah.
Yeah.
When you're done.
Cool. I'm excited. I'm seeing mojitos. Yes.
Virgin mojito.
Zoom in.
Strawberry virgin.
Like, honestly, shout out Saffron Kitchen for inviting us. Like, I'm excited to eat. Like,
I'm so excited.
we're ready. Like, the setup is so cute. Yeah, we're gonna dig in. Let's show you guys what we've got for the menu. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you lot can't see that, but we'll show you when the food comes up.
Guys, we are so excited to eat. When I tell you, we've not eaten all. Well, we had one meal.
One meal, but I don't think that counts as a meal. I'm starving. My belly's been rumbling the whole day, and I said, no, I'm not eating. I'm gonna make space for the food today.
I'm so hungry. I'm ready to eat. I'm so excited.
Sweet potato chat, hummus, chili and bread, nacho doms, fattoush salad is, I think, the starters, the nibbles. We've got the meat, honey garlic wings, sriracha thighs, chicken shashlik. You know, I'm not even gonna bother reading this because I can't do it. But you'll see the food, as I said before. But this setup is cute, and oh my god, look at this.
It's very, very cute. I'm not gonna lie.
I feel like I should have worn pink, but then I'm actually in the green, so it's all cool. But yeah. Really
it's
excited.
pretty alright actually. I think it's a concept of, like you mentioned, like reopening
yeah.
after COVID.
The lockdown, so they thought let's just do a cute little event.
But I wonder if they are the owners. They have to be.
Probably, yeah.
I hope they are. They are, then I'm just gonna be like, Mom, I've made it. I've made it. When I tell you guys, I love Saffron. Like Saffron Kitchen is like
we
one of my
come here all the time. Here, every other week.
Every other week, we are literally. We love the food so
and
much.
they've got banging chips here.
Yo.
I'm so happy you lot put me on. Like, I swear to God.
I swear to God, those masala chips.
Right.
Chat to me, innit? Chat to me once you've had it.
Exactly. Thank you.
I'll be sat with you guys.
Wow. So the starter has come out. We've got a bit of bread, some hummus, and a bit of salad. Yeah, but
yeah, I don't know, but I feel like it needs to be like
it's going to be dark in here the whole time.
100%. It's so dark.
I just wanted to let you guys know that we've got our starters and we're ready to lunch. Basically, the excitement is real.
I'm so excited. Can't wait to eat.
Can't wait. Oh my god, guys, are you seeing this?
So let's put the plate next to me. It's all mine.
I'm joining in with
And we've got the honey glazed wings. So even though this all comes off the barbecue, but we've added extra taste to this. So what we've tried to do is give you a different dimension on taste. So we've got the honey glazed wings, we've got the chicken, which is also very similar to the honey glaze, but it's got a bit of a glazing on there. Then we've got your ribs. The ribs again come quite tender and nice as well. Your masala chips, which is very famous for the restaurant. Your barbecue chops. We've also got your sashiks and your kebabs. Your kebabs are like a Turkish taste straight at the barbecue, and then we've given you some toasted bread. We've also put some roasted vegetables on there, which have come straight off the barbecue. So they get roasted, and then they go on the barbecue for a little extra flavour. And then we've added some sort of chutneys on there, which is your yogurt and chutney to add to that.
And you've got another 5 plates coming for them, right?
No, we'll have you, as long as you can eat it, we don't mind adding more. That's the whole point. The point in these platters will be Every time you come to eat, honestly, that's going to be one of our things. So even this would be an order, a platter of 5. If you then say to us, oh, we want some extra on the
This is a
platter.
platter of 5.
Yeah, this is a platter of 5. We will add a platter for 6. We'll add more pieces on it.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Thank you so much.
No problem. No problem. You eat and then let us know.
Don't be fooled by the size.
We look forward to you finishing it actually. So, by the way,
You know what would be funny if Ikram then starts like eating so much?
Oh my god, guys.
You know what? I want to get the biggest piece of rib and hold it. That's the Instagram photo. Who says models don't eat? They only eat at saffron.
Steak like, right?
Exactly. That's the hashtag. Models don't eat. Who says models don't eat? Only eat at saffron.
now, the only thing I want
You guys are
to
killing me.
is, we know you're going to say about the plastic and forks and knives and stuff. Because as you know, at home, we try to give you that house feeling, but because of fire and stuff, that's why we're doing it. So when you're in your ribs, get used to using your hands.
Alright.
Because it may not work as well as
We're getting dirty.
Yeah.
Enjoy that.
That's what you do when you get served something like this.
Eat with their hands.
Well, thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's just say our table was very hungry. But we left the carbs. You know what I'm saying? Healthy eating. Eat some meat and don't eat the carb. I'm going for a jog after this. I thought my stomach is so full. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far.
Oh my god, I hope you guys are enjoying it.
Yeah.
The food has been good. We're still
good.
waiting on our dessert, but
No, for
we'll
real
get there.
though. Yeah, for real,
We'll
you
get
guys
there.
should check out Saffron Kitchen in East London.
100%
Like their
ASAP.
food is incredible and
10-10.
customer service
10-10.
on top. So
Definitely.
yeah.
Go
Come here,
there.
check it out. Hold on.
I just know, it's this.
It's pineapple.
It's pineapple and coconut ice cream.
Wow.
Ikram's got
This
a voice
is
for radio, hasn't she?
Yeah, she really does.
voice for radio. But yeah, guys, check this out. Pineapple, guys. It's roasted pineapple, right? Barbecue. Even better, even better. Actually, I'm putting flash on it right now. But they're gonna make the chai right now, the tandoori chai. Let me show you guys and give you an up and close and personal view.
Oh my god.
It smells so good. It smells amazing. Oh.
You know what? I'll come back once. It was not the best one. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Let me come back.
He said, no, we're doing it.
We're doing it again.
We're doing it right. We're doing it again.
Again, give 1 minute.
Okay, cool.
I like that.
Yes.
Listen, you gotta perfect your craft.
100%. Oh my god, it looks so nice, isn't it?
Oh my god, it was so good. Oh my god. I can't wait to try it.
But the fact that I'm using my phone as a flash, I feel like I need to invest in a flash for the camera, guys. But
We need one ASAP.
you guys.
Guys, look at this.
Are you seeing this?
Tandoori chai.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
I cannot wait to try this. I'm so excited. I've never been so excited for some chat. Like literally.
That's literally Ikram in the background. Oh my god.
And this is Ishraq in the background for the
Look
vlog.
at the way it's sizzling. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Apparently he's famous. Do you want to give us a little
very
info about
famous.
yourself?
I'm just the head chef here.
He's perfecting his craft, guys.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure having you.
Hi guys, what's up? And yeah, I'm just out today with the day ones, you know what I'm saying? I'm out with my friends. We're about to go Nando's and eat. Wallahi, I'm hungry. I feel like every time I'm vlogging, I'm going out to eat. So you guys understand me and my relationship with food is like this, you know? So yeah, I have to let you guys know, and it's a vibe. We're out and I'm going out tomorrow as well, so I'll probably vlog tomorrow too and drop that in this week's vlog. So yeah man, love you guys. I'm happy you lot like my vlog, so my recent vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna keep doing this. Alright, bye guys. So guys, apparently Fernando's here, yeah? You have to scan it, madness. And then something pops up, bam. Order straight.
Is it this one I'm using, yeah?
That's crazy. So that's how you order right now in Nando's. Deep it. You have to scan a barcode and it takes you straight to the website. That's crazy. What I have life's changed. Literally. Oh my god. And look at the queues. Are you guys seeing this? This is dangerous. I'm scared to go outside. That's how good it is. Yeah, I'm gonna go on live I'm gonna do everything with this makeup. Someone find me a motive today, because wow, I'm actual queen. A whole, guys, I'm telling you, this is so beautiful, man. I think this is my favorite beat. I'm being dead ass, wallahi, like on a roll. This is my favorite beat. This, I'm obsessed with. I'm so obsessed with this.
What I was gonna do.
This is, guys, wait, you have to pre the eyeshadow. I'm gonna end it here because otherwise I will cry and I don't want to ruin the makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching. You'll see me the next time doing another thing on another day. But yeah, shout out Face by Reem. Check her Instagram out. She's got amazing content and she's a queen. Like, she did my red carpet makeup, she did this makeup, and there'll be more to come. So stay tuned in a bit. Okay, this is a whole other day, guys. So we're out here arguing about milk chocolate, white chocolate, and dark chocolate. How did you say dark chocolate is the best? Explain.
I meant, what I meant is dark chocolate is easier to digest. I didn't mean that, okay? I meant white chocolate is the best.
Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. I don't know what she's talking about. But dark chocolate is at the bottom. I'm so sorry. Dark chocolate is at the bottom. It's like this. It goes milk chocolate, white chocolate, and then dark chocolate.
No, it's not.
It's white chocolate, milk chocolate.
White chocolate, milk chocolate, then dark chocolate.
Yes, in that order.
In that order, bitch.
Guys, you put your order in the comments below because I'm about to fight my friends right now. Bye. Guys, I've got another topic. What's your best milk? Who do you start?
First of all, the best milk is coconut milk, and that's all. Period.
Okay, what's your best milk?
Almond.
Almond.
You know what I was thinking about?
Almond?
You have your shot. That's what I was thinking about.
I'm telling you, mine is almond and coconut mixed together.
Mine is had the cereal milk, whatever that milk.
What, Titty milk? Okay,
What's it called?
You just Tesco. And that type of milk. You can have with some nice shot.
Oh wait, are you talking about
milk?
Yeah,
full milk?
I'm not talking about coconut, I'm not talking about almond, I'm talking about milk. Like all your
Like
milk.
My milk, the milk before you bring to the yard. I am dead. Comment down below your favorite milk. I've got bare questions today, guys. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
would you rather lick the floor during a pandemic
Yeah, she already said it.
or become a full-time bin man for the rest of your life?
Full-time what?
Bin man for the rest of your life.
Definitely bin man.
I thought a bin man.
Me and this trash were gonna become like this.
What do you mean bin man?
You will never catch me on the floor licking the floor.
No. I'm far too prestige for that. I'm too prestige. It's not
We don't do licking.
The bin man job is for the rest of your life.
I can never be a bin man.
That's on period.
Kadika said that she would
Lick the floor.
risk it for a biscuit, so she would lick the floor.
Let me tell you something.
You have to
I'm not
explain
becoming a bin man for the rest of my life. That shit is depressing. Have you ever walked past a couple of stinking big ass high yard? You know how far they stink. Imagine going to where there's so many where the dump is.
Willie, you know what?
I'm not spending that for the rest of my life.
So you would lick the floor.
And risk it. I would lick it and I would pray and I would hope that nothing happens to me. And if I do that, if something does happen to me, then inshallah I'll just then stop to take care. Nothing bad.
Madness.
And
What would you guys do?
my answer would be, this is kind of tricky. I think I'll be a bin man for the rest of my life, and I'll say.
But then when you deep it, it's hard. Bin man for the rest of your life. That's actually quite serious. For the rest of your life.
Oh shit! Actually.
So you're gonna retire as a bin lady, basically.
That's calm. Better than licking the floor.
Licking the floor.
The rest of my life, me, I will be a bin woman. Trust me. I will be doing well at my job. I will make the most out of it. I will try to enjoy
Every
it.
day you're
I will never lick the floor.
every day because of
Vomit every single day.
because of the smell, man.
Are we eating it, bro? You get immune to the smell.
I can never get used to that smell every day.
You gotta suck it into. You gotta suck it in the first few days. The rest you should be fine.
No, you should never be fine.
Deep it.
He's gonna do another would you rather.
Would you rather? Okay.
Okay, let me think of one.
Which one was your one?
In video, Shraf one.
What was my one?
Would you rather drink?
Oh, would you rather drink tinned milk, or breast milk?
breast milk are going to decay your teeth, innit? So I'd rather do tin milk.
Yeah, well that's smart.
Decay your teeth, innit? Because yeah.
Yeah,
I don't want to have
strawberries straight in
canned.
canned.
What about you?
I would never drink breast milk.
Oh, really?
Tint.
Like this is.
Would you rather?
It's like, you know what I mean? I'm not a baby. Why would I drink breast milk?
She said I'm not.
I've got one, yeah.
Okay,
Would you
Khadijah's got
rather have more time or more money? More time, more money.
More money straight.
More money.
More money.
At least I can enjoy myself more.
More
Let's
money,
be real.
I'll make time.
I'm not saying money
make time.
I'll make time makes you happy. But I think
Actually, no. More money. Hello, what you doing?
more money, fam.
Basically, would you have a rewind button or a pause button on your life?
Or a pause button on your life.
Rewind or pause?
Rewind or pause.
I'd rather rewind. I'm not gonna lie to you. Actually, imagine you could pause, and then like let's say you get an attack to pause and just go back or something. I don't know. Would you rather rewind or pause?
Asking another question. Okay, Kadika, we haven't even finished that.
One minute. I would rather.
What about you? Are you frozen?
Yeah.
No, I don't think you're frozen.
No, you're not frozen, but you're pausing the whole
You
situation.
can move around in it. So you could.
Oh, that's different. Well, like, it depends on in what way do you mean when it's comes to pausing. Nah.
So for example, let's say you're in an exam and you forgot, let's say your battle, like something important.
Yeah.
You could quickly pause everything, go to your house, get whatever you need, and come back.
Oh, but you're still gonna go back.
Yeah.
To the, okay.
And then start, and then you got it.
I'd rather do rewind.
Rewind, you know.
I would do.
Rewind button, so that I can
Rewind.
change what happened in the future.
I can go back, yeah. 100% rewind.
Rewind as well.
Yeah. I thought you said pause for a second. Why did you change your mind, love?
Okay, I got another one. I got another one, guys.
Another one, yeah?
Would you rather be able to talk to animals or speak all foreign languages?
Ooh.
So all speak, understand every single human language, be able to talk to animals.
I'd rather speak to animals.
I'd rather speak to animals.
I'd rather speak to animals.
Because I can communicate with animals and be like, what's your issue today?
Actually, no.
I don't want to talk to animals.
No, I'm not gonna lie. Well, I don't talk to animals. Why am I talking to animals? I'm never.
If I was going to talk to animals,
I want to speak.
animal to
What language? Did you say all languages? Did you say all languages?
How are you?
Did you say we can speak all languages?
Yeah.
Yeah, all languages. Wallahi, the amount of business in that.
You know, I can
Communicating and connecting in all languages.
I can move to any country and
I'm speaking
I
all
don't have to,
languages.
you know, I'm just get a job.
What am I gonna get out of speaking to animals? Wallahi, let's be real.
Animals are lit though.
Animals are friendly.
Yeah, and on top
I'm
of
not.
that,
You wouldn't get any friends. You just be friends with animals.
You said animals are lit.
animals are lit.
Well, like, animals are the most.
You know what? Is it cats? Is it big cats?
Yeah.
Big cats, and
Yeah, like wild cats. Wild cats, yeah.
They're like my favorite.
And you want to communicate with them.
I want to communicate with them.
If
I want
they
them to come for someone. I need to be able to speak to them.
Yeah.
Madness.
Me.
100%. I need them.
I don't want to speak to
I
no
want to back beef.
Yeah, 100% they can back me.
What would you guys do? Comment down below.
My tigers on
They're
you
gonna
guys.
back me in it.
I'm screaming.
They're gonna back me.
Because I got my cats and my tigers.
Never proven to be trash.
If you can communicate with animals, yeah, this sounds mad. What if they still hate humans? You can communicate with them. What's like Katan? They won't back you. They don't like you.
Yeah,
That's a whole different situation. We didn't say get along. It means you can only communicate with them. You can understand them, and they, you know what I'm saying. You can just understand them. That's communicate with them.
That's what it-
No, but a lot of animals like humans though. A lot of cats love their owners.
Some, but we're talking about big cats here.
Yeah, big cats are.
They ain't gonna love us.
They're white.
That one's easy.
They're gonna be like, yes, we can. They're gonna be like, oh, rather this human can communicate with us, but we don't like you still. What you do in our ends, you don't look like us. You know what I'm saying? So I would rather say any other language.
I would rather like
Foreign language to me, bring it my way. I want to speak French, Spanish. Well, like, that's gonna be helpful when I travel. Like, that's
Okay,
what I think.
I got another one, guys.
Yeah, go on.
Would you rather go in the past and meet your ancestors, or go in the future and meet your great grandchildren?
My great grandchildren.
I'm not going to meet my ancestors.
I think I want to meet, actually, yeah, great grandchildren would be nice, isn't it? You'll see how they turned out.
Yeah.
Let me see my
We see how, yeah.
Who wants to meet the ancestors?
Yeah,
But then wouldn't it be interesting to see
Ancestors,
your
see how they
ancestors though? How they lived and how life was back in the day.
Nah.
I didn't know
Because
you.
inshallah, if you're alive, you're bound to see your grandchildren. You never know actually, it's not guaranteed, but if you're alive.
Yeah.
But like, you'll never get to see your ancestors. You'll never ever see them.
What if you have what if your ancestors have no sort of communication? They speak a different language, or because language developed or something, or they can't communicate with them like that. You get it? Like they're just not
Yeah,
the same.
that's crazy.
Okay, I got a funny one. I got a funny one, guys.
Okay, cool. You got a funny one, yeah?
Would you rather have bad diarrhea at a festival or have diarrhea in your wedding?
Festival, not my wedding. I don't want anything going wrong at my wedding. I'm sorry.
Yeah, festival.
Festival.
I'll take the L at the festival. I'll take the L at the festival.
We are not taking it. And on your wedding day, diarrhea with a white dress. No.
That's problematic.
Never that.
That's illegal. That's a life sentence.
Never ever
All
that.
this money just for it to be ruined by me.
No, never
You
that.
done my makeup for me to wear now tracksuit bottoms in my
For
wedding.
you to ruin your wedding. You're ruining it. Not even everybody else is ruining it.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. I don't even know if it makes sense. I just put random bits together, but I hope you enjoyed it. So next vlog should be out next week, Tuesday or Wednesday, and I'm working soon, so I'll film behind the scenes of that. I'm so excited. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I've got so much more stuff coming, so I'm so excited to film everything with you guys. Inshallah, I'm alive to film this. But yeah, for this week's vlog, I'm shouting out I'm Just Aware. Check them out in the bio, and thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, and the video is over. Khalas, finish, full stop. Bye.